My apartment elevator has a button for floor 0, but my building only has 12 floors. I pressed it as a joke. The elevator went down and kept going for 2 minutes. When it stopped, the doors opened to a hallway identical to mine. Same carpet, same doors, same lighting. I walked to my apartment number. The key worked. Inside was my exact apartment, but everything was backwards. On my coffee table was a note in my handwriting. Don't go back up. They know you found us. Have you ever pressed the wrong button? Follow for more elevator horror.